Hello everyone, in this short video, we're going to learn how to integrate Firebase in React Native applications. So let's get started. First, we have created a React Native application. As you can see, it is a Firebase example app we have created. And let us open the same app inside Android Studio. So we will move to this directory, Firebase example. Then we will open Android folder in our Android Studio. So once we open it, we can see Gradle sync already started. So as you can see, Gradle sync finishes and we can run build. Then we can run the app in our emulator. So here we do npm start. And you can see our app is running. So now let's head to Firebase console to set up Firebase inside our application. So first we will open Firebase console. And here we have option to create a new Firebase project. So we will click on this. Here we have to define name of our project. We can say Firebase example. It will generate a project ID, a unique project ID for us for our project. And then we click on continue. Here we have option to choose AI assistance for our Firebase project. We keep it selected and we click on continue. Here we can also enable Google Analytics for this project. We keep it selected and click on continue. Here we have to choose or create a Google Analytics account. So here from the drop down menu, we can select default account for Firebase. And then we can click on create project. So our project is being created. It will take few minutes. So we divided this series in this particular setup video in two parts. First one is for Android and second one is for iOS. So in this video, we're going to set up Firebase for Android only. And in the next video, we're going to set up for iOS also. So our Firebase project is created and here we have to click on continue. It will land you on your Firebase project dashboard. Here we can set up multiple things like real-time database, authentication, and Firestore database, etc. As of now, we are first we have to add our application to this project. So we have to click on Add App button. And here we can select which type of app we want to create. We want to connect to this Firebase project. For example, we can connect iOS, we can connect Android, we can also connect Flutter application. So as of now, we are selecting this Android. And here on this page, it is asking Android package name. So if you hover this icon, it says your package name is generally the application ID in your app level build.gradle file. So we have already opened our project inside Windsurf. So here we move to the Android and then we have to go inside app folder and here we have build.gradle file. So this is the same that it is asking package name. So package name and application ID generally both are same. So we just have to copy and paste it here. And then it is asking for app nickname. Here we can give any nickname to our application, we will say Firebase example, and then we can register app. So here we have to download google-services.json file, and then we have to put it inside our app folder. So here we just copy this and paste it here inside app folder. Remember, we don't have to put inside Android folder. We have to put it inside app folder. Okay. Then we click on next. And this is the step where most of us get confused, because these lines are not matching with our build.gradle file exactly. So for example, this is saying that we have to add this line inside our project level build.gradle.kts file. So if we open this file in Windsurf, what it was saying, build.gradle inside our project file. So this is the file that it was asking to open, and here we see there's no plugin section inside this file. See, here we don't have plugin. So that's why we get confused. First, let me tell you, it is asking to put this code inside build.gradle.kts. Okay, so we don't have a build.gradle.kts. It is just build.gradle. It is groovy. So here we have this guidance. If you are using build script syntax to manage plugins, so here we can see we are exactly using build script syntax to manage our plugins. So that's why we don't see this code block inside our build.gradle file. So what we have to do, we have to click here, and this page will guide us how to implement these steps inside our project. So what it is saying, we have two options. One is build.gradle.kts and second one is build.gradle. So what we have here, build.gradle only, not KTS. So we click on this, and then it is saying this is exactly matching with our code. What we have, first we have build script. Inside that we have repositories and dependencies. So if you see here, we have a build script and we have repositories and dependencies. So this is what we have. So what we have to do here, we have to define a class path. What it takes Maven coordinates and plugin version. What is Maven coordinate? So here we can see plugin name. What plugin we have to add? We have to add Google Play Services plugin. And for that plugin, what is Maven coordinates? Maven coordinates are com.google.gms Google services. And what is the version required? Version is 4.4.4. So we have to put this inside this line. So what we have to do, we have to copy this line and paste it here. Okay. And we have to keep this in this format. So what we will do, we will just add brackets, class path, then double quotes, and what plugin we have to add, plugin Maven coordinate. We have to copy this GMS Google services. Let us cross check once again. So okay, we have to add the same Google services, gms.google services. So we will copy this and add it here, and then colon, then plugin version. What version we have? 4.4.4. So we do this. So we add this here. Then what's next? We have to open module level, app level, build.gradle file. So here we have build.gradle file inside our app folder. And here we have to add plugin. So again, move back to this tab. And here what we have to do, we have to add plugin. But we don't have plugin block here. If you check, we have dependencies, build type, signing config, default config, and all these are inside Android. And here we have React, but we don't have a plugin block. But what we have here, we have plugins defined at the top of the file directly with keyword apply plugin. So for this, we have to do the same. We can apply this plugin here. We just have to paste it and we will write apply plugin column, then this way. Okay. And then we have to add dependencies. So we can copy this, and at the bottom we have dependencies block. Here we can add dependencies. Just copy and paste it here. So we are done with it. And now we click on next and you are ready. So we click on continue to the console. So we are on the console of our project. Now what we have to do, we have to open this Android folder in Android Studio, which we already did. And here we will do Gradle sync first. So build successful. Then we will build this application. Okay, build successful. Then now we can run this app. So our app is running. Here you can see. Okay. So in the next video, we will do it for iOS. And that's all for this video now. Thank you.